Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Welcome to this well-maintained two-story house in Twickenham Park, Spanish Town, which consists of master bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and walk-in closet, and 3 additional bedrooms and a bathroom. All bedrooms are fitted with closets. There is an indoor laundry and helpers' quarters. The upper floor is equipped with a patio for great family evenings filled with board games or just hanging and sharing with each other. The ground level has an enclosed garage and also has 2 patios for additional family relaxation. The land area of this house is 92,728 square feet. This home holds many family fun memories. Make it yours and create many more. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, grilled, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, hillside, private setting, quiet area, landscaped, acreage, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $520,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house. And please leave your comments and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.